Hey guys, NaturallyNellzy here today, and I am doing this video in partnership with Banish, and I'm going to be showing you their Banish 2.0 as well as their Banish Starter Kit. Now, in this particular case here, there was the Banish 2.0 that came inside. The first thing would be the Banisher right here, and one thing that I absolutely love about this product is that, as you guys can see, it is in a very fresh packet here. I don't have to worry about anything being contaminated. The second thing inside would be the Banish oil, and this is what you would follow up with using after using the actual Banisher here. We also have an activated charcoal and clay mask, and then there's a vitamin C beauty elixir, and you can use these two products when you realize that maybe you need a spot treatment, maybe it's that time in the month, anytime you feel like you're going to be stressed out, whatever, you can use these to actually do a quick spot treatment. We also have the vitamin C cream as well as the pumpkin enzyme mask, and these two products can also be used for spot treatment on days when you realize you do have any breakouts. This is a cleanser that you can use at least twice during the day, and it can be used in the morning as well as the night. So this thing legit has little needles on it. Like, I kid you not, it has little needles. I'm pretty sure you guys can see the little needles from the shot. That's exactly what's going to be going into your skin. Now, the way that you use this is that you are going to fill this to the top. It actually does have a line here where it tells you that you're supposed to fill me right there. So the whole point is to make sure that the bristles are going to be sanitized. And as you guys can see from that close-up shot, I have everything inside where it's supposed to be. All the bristles are submerged in the alcohol, and we're just gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes. So we have about 2 minutes left until we are able to use our Banisher, and while it's sterilizing, it's cool that I tell you a bit about it. So the good thing about this product is that the whole concept came from Daisy, and she actually struggled with acne for a long time. She went to the dermatologist, she tried different things, and nothing worked until she tried this whole method here. And the good thing about this one is that it looks like the old Banisher actually had a rolling kind of version, but this one is more so where you just press it in, so you don't have to worry about you having uneven angles or anything like that. Everything is straight, it's vertical, and you're going to get an even application when you're using it. Now, the way that you're supposed to use it is after you finish sterilizing, you're supposed to twist the cap off. You're supposed to just tap it just to make sure you get off any excess alcohol. And you're supposed to let it air dry for about 2 to 3 minutes because, one, you know, alcohol, stinging, don't want to do that. So I'm going to press, and I'm gonna turn, press and turn, press and turn. It honestly does not feel painful at all. I can't even really tell if like it's in my skin or not, but I'm definitely pressing it. I'm not seeing any blood that's being drawn. I'm not feeling any pain. It just honestly feels like just a little bit of prick on my skin, and that's it, no pain at all. But the reason why you want to press and rotate at 90 degrees is to make sure that you're getting an even application all in the areas that you're using it. I'm definitely feeling the Banisher a little bit more on my cheek areas. So if you're using it in an area where you would have like more so of a bony kind of structure, you may feel a little bit, but again, there's still no pain or anything like that, no discomfort. It's just a little bit of pinpricks that are just in my face. I also noticed that I do have a bit of blackheads that I didn't see before, so I'm gonna use it here on my nose. Again, if you are using the Banisher in areas where it's a little bit bony, you will feel the little pinpricks, but it's not hurting in any sense. About finished, and like I said, looking at my face, it looks a bit red, probably in this area here, maybe in my cheeks, maybe over here, but I'm not noticing any bleeding, no bleeds, no pain, no nothing. So at this point, what I'm gonna do is just put this right back into the area here to sanitize it. I'm just gonna leave it and let that sit for about 5 minutes. Now, immediately after using the Banisher, I'm supposed to go in with the banishing oil, and this is the active product that you're going to put in those little marks that we just made in our face. Since I literally just put, like, you know, little holes in my face, all I'm going to do is just put it in this cotton ball just to be sure that we're keeping everything sanitary. All you're going to do is lightly just dab in the areas where you did apply the Banisher. And as I'm applying it, I definitely do feel like the product is working. I don't want to say it's burning because usually burning definitely does hurt, but it's not burning. It's just like a little bit, it's a slight sting that's definitely, you know, tolerable. And I like the fact that I'm feeling it because anytime when I have a wound or something like that, I want to make sure that the antiseptic is getting in, killing bacteria and all of that. So I like the fact that the oil actually works in a way where you can feel that it's working on your skin. And just to prove my point, as you guys can see here on this cotton pad, there's no blood, there's no nothing, just a little bit of redness in my face, and that's pretty much about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back tomorrow so you guys can see exactly how my skin is, but for the rest of the day I'm just going to let this oil sit in and I'm not going to do anything else to my face. Hey guys, so today is day 2 of using the Banisher kit, and I specifically want to talk about my experience using the microneedling tool. So the only thing I really noticed was that my face and like the areas where I actually did it was slightly sore. It wasn't anything that made me feel like, you know, uncomfortable or anything, but I honestly do feel like the Banishing oil really does work with the microneedling tool. Like, I feel like these two together honestly are amazing. I felt like my skin was kind of dull yesterday, but now it's definitely glowing, and I didn't put anything else on my face. This is the only thing that I really use, but for that entire time I just felt like my skin had a really nice glow, if that made any sense. And then the next day when I woke up, this is exactly what I woke up to. So I feel like these two definitely work. Now, I didn't want to use everything inside the kit because I know my skin is sensitive, so I just wanted to like go day by day, but I was really interested in trying the pumpkin enzyme mask, and this is what it looks like here. I like, oh my gosh, this right here, oh my god, let me show you exactly what it looks like. For one, it honestly smells just like pumpkin. Like, I don't know if it's like a cinnamon or something else that they have in it, but it smells just like pumpkin and cinnamon and everything else. And when you apply it to your skin, it honestly feels like you're putting pie on. Like, I kid you not, that's how good it smells. It smells like it's good enough to eat. Now, when I put the pumpkin mask on my skin, I noticed that it did give a little like tingling sensation, which it definitely did say on the bottle. And usually when I do feel a tingle, I get a little nervous because I know that, you know, the tingle means that my skin might be drying out. But after washing this off and feeling my face now, my skin does not feel dry. And it is one of those masks, so once you leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, it does dry up. Like, it does feel a little bit sticky, but my face didn't feel like it was ripped of all of the moisture. Like, as soon as I took it off my face, I still felt like I had moisture in it. I followed up with the vitamin C cream, and that's what that looks like right here. This cream made my face feel really moisturized, and the good thing is that you really don't need a lot of it. I literally just put a dab right here, right here, right here, here, and here, and I just massaged it into my face, and my skin feels so freaking good. Like, it honestly feels really good. So with using these 4 products, I have to say that I really do like the Banish system. I also feel like with continued use of the micro needling tool, you definitely will be able to get problem areas, because I love the fact that it actually, you know, like gets your skin into promoting new collagen. It gets it to grow new skin, essentially, to make it feel much better, and the appearance will be better as well. Every single batch that you get sent to you is brand new. Like, they literally make a brand new batch and send it to you, and I love that when it comes to products, because I don't want to like use anything that has preservatives or things like that. Like, I want my stuff to be fresh, and I want it to be good for my skin. So I feel like the Banish kit is great for somebody who's looking to promote collagen, if you want moisture, if you want to deal with acne scars, if you want to have your skin glowing, if you have hyperpigmentation, pretty much any skin condition that you have, I definitely would recommend getting the Banisher kit, because it literally gives you everything that you need to get your skin on the right track. And then they also have guided instructions, and it's inexpensive as well, because if you were to go to, like, you know, a spa or a dermatologist to do this, it could be really expensive, but you have everything here in this kit right at home. So big shout out to Banish for sharing these goodies with me, and let me know if you guys have ever used the Banish kit or if you've ever used a micro needling tool. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.